Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming your operating system and freeing about 200 MB of space. This avoids interruptions during install. Once done, open the browser you have now, Edge on Windows or Safari on Mac OS, and search for Chrome. You're starting the download step immediately so you don't waste time. Make sure the network is stable. A wired connection reduces dropped packets. Click the Download button for the correct OS build and choose a 64-bit installer if your machine supports it to get better performance. Now run the installer you downloaded and grant the required admin permissions. This lets Chrome write files and register updates. During setup, choose whether to set Chrome as your default browser and whether to create a desktop shortcut. Default speed things up, but customize if you prefer. After installation, launch Chrome and use your Google account to sync bookmarks and passwords. This saves time across devices. If you want privacy, adjust sync settings. Turn off history or password sync individually to control what is shared. Finish by confirming Chrome updated to the latest version via Menu Help about Google Chrome. Updates patch security and improve speed. Import bookmarks and passwords from your previous browser through Settings, import bookmarks and settings so you keep your workflow intact. If something goes wrong, first run the installer again as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus or firewall that may block installation. Alternatively, clear the download and get a fresh installer. If problems persist, reboot and retry. Often a simple restart resolves file locks and permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.